I'll guide you through how to turn off Siri on your iPhone the easy way, without accidental activations and unwanted pop-ups. If you're looking to protect your privacy or you want to save battery life, and you want to disable the Siri voice assistant on your device, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Depending on your iOS version, scroll down and tap on either Siri and Search or just Siri. Inside the Siri settings, look for the option labeled Listen for or Talk to Siri and set it to Off. This will prevent Siri from activating when you say its name. Next, turn off the toggle for Press Side button for Siri or Press Home button for Siri on older devices. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Tap Turn off Siri to confirm. By following these steps, you have successfully turned off Siri on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.